As improvements are underway on McNichols and Livernois, an expansion project is launching at a nearby college. The University of Detroit Mercy is gearing up for a campus makeover. CW50's Chris Walker was there as officials broke ground.
The University of Detroit Mercy administrative team is unveiling part of its master plan to attract and retain more students. Officials broke ground Monday on the McNichols Campus Renovation Project that's expected to draw more economic opportunity to Detroit's University District.
This is only 1/3 of a multi-phase, multi-million-dollar renovation to this McNichols campus.
The project will roll out in 2 phases. Phase 1 includes the renovation and expansion of the student union, while Phase 2 tackles the demolition of the Fisher Administration Center and Reno Hall.
You're talking about $16.5 to $55 million in advancement in this fantastic university.
Upon completion, the project is expected to save the university millions by axing 100,000 square feet of building space.
Will significantly reduce the institution's deferred maintenance costs by more than $43 million by eliminating 2 aging buildings and also improving the efficiency and sustainability of our facilities.
Phase 1 is expected to wrap up next fall. The Phase 2 deadline is winter 2022. Reporting in Detroit, Chris Walker, CW50 News at 10.